Prachi from Superwa Style, and in today's video, as you can already understand, I'll be talking about evening bags, a review video for a website called tmart.com. I have shared the links for this website and these two evening bags in the description box below if you want to have a look. This is what the bags actually look like. This is the red one, and this is the white bag, and they're absolutely stunning, and I'll be talking about them in detail. But before that, just a little bit about the website in case you want to know. tmart.com is a website that actually sells all kinds of products, not just fashion products. I know I usually do reviews for websites that only sell fashion accessories and products, but this one actually has household items, items for kids, items for office, all kinds of things, not just clothes and makeup and nail art and stuff like that. So it's a complete website, and what I really noticed about this website is that the pricing is very, very cheap. And no, I'm not talking about any tricky situations over here, because the shipping is also free on this website. But of course, if you want to go for cheaper shipping and stuff like that, faster shipping and stuff like that, you can actually pay for shipping and get your products delivered faster. So well, let's have a look at the products that I'll be reviewing today, and then maybe you can tell me what you think about them as well. Okay, so first I'll be talking about this white evening clutch purse. It's very, very pretty, and as you can see, the design is very elegant and very delicate looking. Since it's white in color, it's definitely my favorite, and you can get this for just $13.19, which I think is a very, very cheap price for a purse like this. Now the interesting thing about this purse is that although it looks very delicate and just basically showy, it's actually a very good utility purse as well. So this is what the purse looks like from the inside, and you can actually put the chain inside if you don't want to use the chain. It also comes with a larger chain like this, and the purse is really, really spacious inside and has a small pocket in here. I'll just show you how spacious this purse is, because it's difficult to tell by just looking at it, how much it can actually contain. So I'm just keeping some of my absolute essentials that I have to carry when I go out, and this is my first essential. It's a compact, some money, and this, by the way, is what the Indian currency looks like if anybody is interested. This is the money, the card, a lipstick, eyeliner, mouth freshener, hand sanitizer, and some random tissues. And I'll also just put in my cell phone. So I've put all of these things inside this purse, and as you can see, it's all well contained in here. If you want, you can actually keep your money and other important things in the little section over here, and snap it shut. And as you can see, the purse doesn't look bulky, it just doesn't look bulky. It's actually carrying all of these things very comfortably. Next, I'll be talking about this really, really pretty red purse. I love the design on this purse, and it's once again very cheaply priced for just $11.72. The price may change later. So this is what the purse looks like, and I forgot to mention this the last time, but the stitch and everything is just perfect. Like it happened, it's the same with the previous purse as well. No loose ends, nothing, just perfect finish. So you can just open it like this, and I just put in everything that I put in the purse the last time. As you can see, all the products are there, the lipstick, the hand sanitizer, everything. I have a chain like this once again, if you want to just carry it along with a chain or something, or if you want, you can actually attach a larger chain to it, which once again comes in a bag like this. It doesn't look bulky or anything, it doesn't look heavy, it doesn't look uncomfortable, in spite of holding so many things. So once again, a perfect buy, especially for the price that it comes for, and I've shared the link in the description box below if you want to have a look. So well, that's all for now. I hope you liked this video, and well, I totally enjoyed creating this video because I love these evening bags that I talked about. I know I've said that like for 100 times already on this video, but they are just so amazing. So well, if you have any experiences with this website, if you have any questions to ask, please feel free to ask me in the comment box below. I'll also be doing nail art reviews for this website in the upcoming days. So keep a watch out on this section for more. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you all very soon next time.